the fire and snow. Voices of the north in the cold wind blow.
Shadows in the night, but the stars still glow. If I fall tonight, let the whole world know. Calling, calling, calling. Cold rain bites through the leather and mail. Calling, soft spray burns every cat that we veil. Calling, old creek, old prayers hang in the gale. We're so far from home, but the fire won't pay. Valhalla calling me through steel and storm and sea. If I fall, then let me fall in flame. Blood on my hands, but I die unashamed. Valhalla calling me. Say my name. Black crows circle the clash and the smoke. Red ground under the banners we broke. One breath caught on the edge of the blade. If this is my last, let it carve me brave. Valhalla calling me through steel and storm and sea. If I fall, then let me fall in flame. Blood on my hands, but I die unashamed. Valhalla calling me. Say my name. Calling. Calling. If I don't see dawn.